Welcome back to our channel, guys. Thanks so much for tuning in this week. If this is your first time here and you like what you see, make sure to not leave before you like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe. It really goes a long way. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting us all this time, and make sure you stay around because we have so much more that we're looking forward to bringing to our channel for you guys. All right, so this week I am bringing you guys a wig review. It's actually a headband wig by the one and only Luvme Hair. So I have purchased several wigs from Luvme Hair. They're a really good company. The customer service is great. Their wigs are usually of great quality. I really haven't had any complaints since I've been purchasing from them for over the past 3 years. This week's wig is actually the Jerry Curl Headband Wig, and I did get it in 16 inches. They always send it inside this little mesh bag that comes inside the purple box that I showed you. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. This is the wig. I haven't done anything to it yet. Let me just get you close up so you guys can see what the curls look like. I think it's going to be really full, but notice this here. It's a little straight right here, so I don't know what's going on in this part here. Let me go back a little bit. But we are going to work through it and make this thing look bomb. With headband wigs, they come with this piece here. You have that. It goes all the way around to the back. So you have a Velcro piece here that you'll be able to take off and put on. That's what's going to help you secure the wig. It may be possible that I might need to use hairpins on the side. I'm not 100% sure just yet, but once we get it on, we're gonna figure it all out. So I did purchase this wig about 2 months ago. But I haven't had a chance to open it up. I haven't had a chance to wear it or anything like that. So when I did get it, they sent it with this cute little thing here for Christmas time. So that was super cute. It came inside the bag. I also got this little bag here. So let's see what we have inside. So we have some rose gold earrings. I don't have any rose gold earrings, so I will be using those. We also got, looks like some false nails, Christmas nails. I won't be using these, but thank you, I guess. Also, it came with a little scrunchie here. This always comes in handy. And let's see here, you got some eyelashes here. Luvme Hair 3D eyelashes. And the last thing is this little thing here. So I don't know what this is, but I'll take a look at that later. But yeah, so they always send you a few little gifts as well, things that are very useful. So with headband wigs, like you could completely wear it just with this band in the front here. From what I've noticed, some people would just wear the band just as it is in the front, but they did also send several headbands that you can actually wear with the wig. So I have a white one here. They sent that one. We have this one here. We got this little polka dot. I don't never wear polka dot, but I guess if I'm wearing black or white, this probably will work. White is my favorite color, so I'm sure I'll use it. This here. And then lastly, this one here, which is kind of different, but again, it's what they sent you. So in total, I have 5 headbands that they actually send you in addition to your wig and the other little gifts that they sent. So like that's really good, like that they even provide this. Like I don't know if any other companies do this. Again, this is my first headband wig, so we'll see. All right, so I have my stocking cap on already. My hair is just in twist, but I pulled it back. So my edges, I just kind of gelled them back. You can use whatever you normally use. I put a little Eco Styler gel, and then I forgot what else I put on top of that, because my edges don't be staying, y'all. I've tried so many products and a lot of things just do not tame my edges, but either way, I'm gonna make it work. So this is where we're starting. This is the base, and let's go ahead and see what it's gonna be. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get the wig on. It does have the 2 clips here at the top, so we're gonna go ahead and see how this works. I think I am going to take this off first, and let's see. So I'm just gonna secure this right here. And it also has a comb in the back. So I'm gonna, all right, so it's a little adjustment you gotta do here. Now, normally I don't be using these combs that come in the wig, so let me see if it's gonna be different with a headband wig, like if I'm gonna really need to use it or not. Oh, God. No, this ain't working. All right, so I am not gonna put the clips in the front. I am just going to put it on. I'm gonna try it this way first. I am going to use the clip in the back though, because that's always what I use. So all you need is a water bottle with a little leave-in conditioners inside here, which I always use my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, Sleek and Shine. So I have a little bit of that in the water bottle, but I'll also be using that by itself. And then lastly, since I don't have the regular curling custard I like to use, I will be using the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Curl Me Activator. So instead of just going right ahead and using a comb to separate the curls, I decided to just use my hands first. So like I said, I just sprayed a little bit of my water with the leave-in conditioner, added the leave-in conditioner by itself once the hair was saturated, and I am just pulling those curls apart with my fingers. So you can very well wear it just like this if you want. If you just want a soft curl look, I'm not going to put the headband on because obviously this is way back here. So I personally wouldn't wear mine out like this. It's just not the look that I'm going for. So I am going to tease it a little bit more. I am going to use a wide tooth comb as well as my, I'll show you guys which other brush I'm going to use. And then again, I am also going to add the Curl Me Curl Activator by Lotta Body so we can see what that does as well. So normally I use the Miss Jessie's Pillow Soft Curls whenever I'm wearing some type of kinky hair, Lacefront wig, and now my headband wig, which is the Jerry Curl. But anything with this kind of texture, I've really noticed that the Pillow Soft Curl is very lightweight, but it still helps define those curls. But again, I ran all out of that and I didn't have time to go to Walmart and purchase any, so I just used something else that I had. was expecting this to get bigger because I used to wear Jerry Curl weave a lot back in the day, and it used to get really, really big. I love big hair, but this isn't getting as big as I thought it would, but it's fine. I still like the curl pattern. Let me just come in a little bit closer so you guys can see. This is after adding all my products. I still think it looks really, really nice. So I am going to go ahead and add my headbands now and kind of see what it's looking like. That is it. If you like this wig and you will be interested in seeing different ways that you can style this Jerry Curl Luvme Hair wig, or just a headband wig in general, definitely leave that in the comment section below. I'd be more than happy to take some time out to make a video on different ways that you can style this, because not everybody wants to wear their hair just straight down, but you can definitely do different things with this, whether it's wearing it in a ponytail, a bun, putting half of it up, half of it down. There are different ways that you can style a headband wig versus just wearing it like this. So definitely make sure you guys let us know.